FLP-LCD Passbox wiring. This is FLP-LCD Passbox control system. Let's see how to make FLP-LCD Passbox control system connection. This is FLP-AM lock connection. For magnet connection, follow diagram and wire color code. Connect green wire in sensor connection. Connect black and blue wire together for FLP-AM lock negative and sensor commonly in AM lock minus. Connect red wire for magnet plus on the panel. Follow same procedure for magnet 2 connection. Magnet 1 and magnet 2 connection completed. For display 1 and display 2 connection, follow wiring diagram and ferrule numbers. Display 1 cable. Connect cable through the gland. Connect cable as per ferrule number. 1, 2, 3, 4. Display 2 cable. Connect cable through the gland. Connect cable as per ferrule number. 5, 6, 7, 8. Connect UV phase wire in UV out connection on the panel. Connect neutral wire. Similarly, connect white light phase wire in white light out connection on the panel. Connect neutral wire. Connect power supply connection to the connector. Connect neutral wire. Check properly whether all the connections are made properly. FLP-LCD Passbox wiring completed.